Hello and good afternoon. We are here with all the important topics right before the U.S. stock market rings the bell. Rubrik Inc., a leading cloud and data security startup, has officially filed for an initial public offering, backed by heavyweight investors, including Microsoft. With the IPO led by renowned banks such as Goldman Sachs and Barclays, Rubrik plans to list on the NYSE under the symbol RBRK. Despite growing revenues, the company reports increasing losses, highlighting the high-stakes environment of tech startups. The move reflects a broader trend of tech companies tapping into public markets, following the successful IPOs of firms like Reddit and Astera Labs. Rubrik's ambition to raise up to $700 million showcases the optimism surrounding the tech IPO landscape, amidst challenges like cybersecurity threats and market competition. Walt Disney Company seems to be prevailing against activist investors, securing crucial votes for its board members. With support from significant shareholders like Rowe and possibly BlackRock, Disney fights to maintain its director lineup against challengers backed by Nelson Peltz's Trian Fund Management. This corporate tussle unfolds as Disney seeks to rejuvenate its streaming services and explore digital expansions for ESPN. Despite the stock's fluctuation, Disney's strategic maneuvering against activist proposals underscores the intricate balance between shareholder interests and executive vision. This boardroom drama, set against the backdrop of Disney's vast entertainment empire, reflects the complexities of modern corporate governance. Google has agreed to a monumental privacy settlement, committing to delete billions of personal records collected through Chrome. This settlement, arising from allegations of illegal surveillance, signifies a major shift in how the tech giant handles user data. Despite avoiding personal damage compensations to consumers, Google's concession is a significant acknowledgement of privacy concerns. The legal agreement demands more transparent privacy disclosures, particularly regarding Chrome's incognito mode, and imposes stricter data collection limitations. This legal resolution may not only influence Google's future data practices, but also set a precedent for online privacy standards, marking a pivotal moment in the ongoing debate over digital surveillance and user rights. This is all we have for you today. We are MEXEM TV, and we will be here next week, same place, same time. Goodbye.